The Ed-admin Timetable Scheduler allows institutions to schedule subjects and classes and prepare a conflict-free timetable for students, educators, and venues. The Ed-admin timetable can be used even if an educational institution is not going to use the scheduling element, as it provides other options as well. The Timetable Scheduler is located in the Academic Management module, and by clicking on the tab, the last open timetable will be displayed. To create a new timetable, click on the plus icon, and then enter the name of the timetable and select the term and year. To populate the timetable in the student and parent portals based on the selected grades, tick this checkbox, and if you wish to take attendance in each period throughout the day, tick this one. The holiday type drop-down menu has 3 options: timetable cycle for non-weekday cycles, normal weekday for traditional weekly or bi-weekly cycles, and block schedule, which is an advantage for institutions that have a specific type of calendar. Select the type and click Save to open the new timetable. Under the Detail tab, select the number of periods and days in a cycle, and then tick this checkbox if you want the timetable to be in sync with the Assessment Premium module. It is important to note that the sync must be done before the start of the term and prior to setting up the gradebook. This option is the starting point for your timetable rotation, based on the term's start day. Use this editor to create a footer. Footers appear at the bottom of all the timetable printouts for students, staff and venues. Once you are done, click on Save. Now, navigate to the Periods Setup tab, and set the period type, which can be either dynamic or static. Use the dynamic type when period times vary from day to day, and static for when period times are the same in the timetable schedule. Fill in the periods and days fields, and click Save. Under the Grades tab, select the grades you would like to include in the timetable, and click Save. Under the Educators tab, select the desired teacher from the list, select the grades they teach, and then click Save. Now, click on the plus icon and add the subjects. When all the subjects are added, use this drop-down menu to select a venue for each one. The staff color, required periods, and max periods options are also available for each educator. To view the educator's timetable, click on this icon. Use the import icon to import the educator's data from the other terms. Clicking on this icon will open the educator's timetable, and clicking on this one will open the educator's timetable schedule lock. Select the periods in which the educator is not available to gray it out. Grouped Subjects Setup is also done in the timetable, under the Grouped Subjects Choices tab, and the Grouped Subjects Setup subtab. You can add a new subject group by selecting the desired grade and then clicking on the plus icon. Enter the name of the subject group, select the minimum and the maximum number of subjects to be selected, as well as the desired operator, and click Save. Now, click on the plus icon to add subjects to the group. Select the subject, educator, and assistant and enter the section name if required, and click Save. You can allocate students to the grouped subjects under either of these tabs. Under this tab, select the desired grade and student, and then select the subjects. Select this tab to add students in bulk, select the grade and the desired subject, and then click on the plus icon. You can now select the students from the left panel and click on this arrow. Should you wish to move all the students from one grouped subject to another, click on this button, select the subject group you want to move the students to, and click Save. Note that moving a student from a grouped subject to another will delete the assessments and it cannot be reversed automatically. To move the students individually, you can use the M button in front of each student's name. You may use this icon to copy the students to another subject group instead of moving them. Now, go to the Schedule tab to start scheduling. First, select the desired grade to see the subjects. Clicking on each subject's name allows for editing the subject's setup. The number of periods can be allocated or edited here, by allocating the number of triple, double or single periods. Then, you only need to drag each subject's period to the desired slot in the timetable. Each subject period in the timetable has multiple elements: subject code, room, teacher, conflict alert for teachers, conflict alert for venues, edit the teacher and room, list of students, overload alert, teacher's maximum load, teacher's current teaching period. To edit the educator, assistant, venue or subject color, after being scheduled, click on this icon. Clicking on the More icon displays a list of educators, their current and maximum load, timetable, and locked periods. The red cross icon indicates that the teacher is busy in the said period. The same process happens for the assistant and the room. To view the schedule by the venue, click on this tab and select the desired venue. And to view it by students, click on this tab and select the desired student. You may use the filter bar to filter the students by class, grade, house, or tutor group, or search for the desired student by their name using the search field. Finally, use the report drop-down menu to print the student's schedule. Thank you for watching this video.